Good morning, Fit Family. I hope you guys are feeling blessed and rested and you're enjoyed your weekend, had some good healthy foods, got your workouts in, drank your shakes. Today's challenge is a yoga challenge. So, figure out what your favorite yoga pose is from, most of you guys are doing the 21 Day Fix, so I'm going to assume it'll probably be from the 21 Day Fix yoga. And get somebody to take a picture of you doing your favorite yoga pose and post it in our comments below. And if you are brave enough to post it on your personal page, tag your coach in it and you can get 3 points. So 2 points for your favorite yoga pose here in the comments and 3 points for tagging your coach on your personal page. If you skip yoga, and I have to tell you, sometimes I'm guilty of skipping yoga days. I love it, but in my head, I think, I don't really need to do it. I'm just going to take a rest day. Don't skip yoga. It is so good for you. It is so good for your muscles. It's an active recovery day, meaning you get to rest, but you're still stretching. You'll feel better. It's even a great thing to do right before you go to bed if you just really need to de-stress. So don't skip it. It's really great for you. I hope you guys enjoy your day and enjoy your yoga, and I can't wait to see you. Namaste.